Sure, even the most job-adoring folks occasionally daydream about giving up their office chair for a spot on a jam-packed train surrounded by a symphony of sniffling noses. I mean, who wouldn't trade their desk for a front-row seat to the live concert of someone's allergies? And, oh, the envy-inducing vision of swaying on that train next to a cyclist who's been pedaling longer than most people's workday. Makes you want to sprint towards early retirement, doesn't it? Welcome to Stealth Wealth Society. If you're new to our channel, we help people master the art of building wealth in stealth mode. So click that subscribe button if you haven't already to be updated with our latest videos. The mere thought of escaping the clutches of your beloved job might beckon like a siren. But hold on to your pension fund. Remember the golden lesson of lockdown. Freedom can be as tricky as a double-edged sword doing a tightrope act. Because nothing screams exhilaration like going from spreadsheets to hours of wondering what to do with your newfound eternity. But don't worry, retirement isn't the end, it's just the prologue to, well, we're not entirely sure yet. But hey, don't pack up your desk just yet, my friend. Early retirement? Turns out it's a members-only club where only 13% of today's workers RSVP before age 60. According to the all-knowing wizards at the Employee Benefit Research Institute. For those daring souls who dare to jump, be prepared, the reality might just be a tad less tropical beach and a bit more, why did I binge watch all those shows in a week? 1. Embrace relaxation. Embrace the fresh start that comes with this new chapter in your life. Take a moment to truly appreciate the freedom that accompanies a life unburdened by stress and pressure. You now have the wonderful opportunity to indulge in activities that fill your heart with contentment and happiness. Whether it's exploring new hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying moments of solitude, let this be a time when you prioritize your well-being and joy. This is your chance to craft a narrative of your life that revolves around the things that truly matter and uplift your spirit. 2. Embark on global adventures. Go on a thrilling exploration to unlock the world's hidden treasures. Venture to distant lands, where you can fully dive into a rich tapestry of cultures. Immerse yourself in unique traditions, taste exotic flavors, and connect with people from all walks of life. These extraordinary experiences will etch themselves into your memory, becoming cherished moments that endure forever. So, step out with curiosity as your guide and open the door to a world brimming with wonders waiting to be discovered on your unforgettable journey. 3. Achieve financial freedom. Ensure your financial security by addressing current debts and avoiding new ones. By doing so, you'll experience a worry-free retirement, giving you the freedom to relish your golden years to the fullest. This prudent approach to managing your finances will provide you with peace of mind and the ability to embrace all the joys that come with retirement. 4. Craft a diverse investment portfolio. Efficiently distribute your resources among 3 essential groups. Firstly, prioritize assets that can be readily turned into value. Secondly, focus on those that provide a steady stream of money. And thirdly, consider assets that grow in value over a moderate to extended period. This well-rounded strategy guarantees your financial security by diversifying your investments for stability and prosperity. 5. Cultivate an artistic eye. Immerse yourself in the captivating realm of the arts by embracing the world of artwork exploration and collection. Delving into this enriching experience not only adds beauty to your surroundings, but also ignites your creative instincts. Nurturing a genuine admiration for art stimulates your imagination and helps you see the world in new, vibrant ways. Each piece of art carries a unique story and perspective, inviting you to connect with diverse cultures and emotions. By investing in art, you're investing in a lifelong journey of inspiration, insight, and the joy of fostering your own artistic sensibilities. 6. Exercise fiscal responsibility. Adopt a watchful attitude towards your spending patterns. Skillfully handling your finances will allow you to maximize your retirement savings. This way, you can actively chase after your interests and hobbies without unnecessary financial pressure. It's crucial to stay mindful of your money choices so that you can enjoy your retirement years with financial peace of mind. 7. Find someone to mentor. Pass on the valuable lessons from your life to the next generation by becoming a mentor. Your personal experiences hold the power to steer and motivate others on their path, nurturing their development and insight. Embrace the role of a mentor to offer guidance and encouragement, illuminating someone else's voyage with your wisdom. In doing so, you not only support their growth, but also cultivate a stronger sense of comprehension. Your journey becomes a lantern, lighting up their way and helping them navigate the challenges that lie ahead. Undoubtedly, sharing our knowledge has the power to reshape our lives and how we navigate them. So, why not impart the valuable wisdom of effective financial management? Right now, Stealth Wealth Society introduces a series of well-crafted financial management courses. These meticulously designed courses offer a valuable head start in achieving financial stability earlier than your peers. Understanding your desire for early success, we are committed to providing exclusive insights into financial management. Keep up to date with the latest financial trends and access invaluable resources by subscribing to our channel. Furthermore, this course is specifically designed to steer you towards discreetly accumulating wealth. As an extra perk, by clicking the link in the description, you will also receive a complimentary copy of our personal finance ebook. 8. Chronicle your journey. Capture your ideas and life moments on the pages of a book. Whether you're recounting personal memories, crafting fictional tales, or sharing valuable lessons, your narrative has the power to profoundly touch readers and create a cherished heritage for generations to come. Writing a book enables you to preserve your unique perspective, emotions, and adventures, allowing your voice to resonate through time. So, embark on this literary journey, transforming your thoughts into words that can inspire, entertain, and connect, leaving an indelible mark on the literary world and etching your story into the tapestry of human understanding. 9. Appreciate the art of maintenance. Discover contentment in tending to your living space and nurturing your physical health. Participating in activities that play a role in maintaining your environment and well-being can bring about a profound sense of satisfaction. Taking care of your home, whether through cleaning, organizing, or decorating, not only creates a pleasant atmosphere, but also cultivates a positive mindset. Similarly, dedicating time to your physical health, be it through exercise, balanced nutrition, or adequate rest, bestows a rewarding feeling of accomplishment. Embracing these tasks not only enhances your surroundings and vitality, but also uplifts your spirits. 10. Pursue personal growth. Allocate some time to focus on improving yourself and growing personally. Take the opportunity to work on the parts of yourself that you've always wanted to make better. This could mean picking up a new skill that interests you or making positive changes to your habits for better well-being. Remember, investing in self-improvement can lead to a more fulfilling and enriched life journey. 11. Celebrate family bonds. Redirect your attention towards fostering and reinforcing the bonds within your family. Dedicate time to crafting collective experiences, standing by each other, and valuing the relationships that have molded your life's journey. By prioritizing these connections, you can build a foundation of love and support that enriches your lives and brings lasting happiness. 12. Curate a cultural journey. Dive into a captivating realm of literature, cinema, and diverse art forms to enrich your soul. Explore the finest 100 books, movies, and cultural creations, broadening your perspectives and enhancing your insight into the tapestry of human existence. Immerse yourself in these treasures, allowing them to illuminate the depths of the human experience and broaden the horizons of your understanding. 13. Embrace the gift of stillness. Give yourself the wonderful opportunity to be idle and enjoy peaceful moments of thinking. This simple act can help you find clarity, promote mindfulness, and even unlock your creativity. Taking time for idleness lets your mind relax, leading to a clearer understanding of things. It also encourages you to be present in the moment, enhancing your awareness and focus. In these calm moments, your mind can discover new and imaginative ideas that might not have appeared in the busyness of daily life. 14. Conquer regrets. Address your enduring regrets by actively engaging in the very thing you've always yearned to do. This can involve mastering a musical instrument, embarking on a journey to a particular place, or venturing into a fresh hobby. The present moment offers you the perfect opportunity to finally achieve these long-held desires. Seize the chance and make those aspirations a vibrant reality, casting aside any lingering feelings of regret. 15. Leave a lasting legacy. Plant a tree to symbolize your lasting influence. This tree, though you may never rest under its shade, will stand as a testament to your legacy, offering coolness to generations ahead. This action beautifully captures the spirit of leaving a mark and the idea of contributing positively to the world. By nurturing a tree today, you sow the seeds of tomorrow's well-being, embodying the very essence of a meaningful and enduring gift to the future. As you embrace retirement, this list of activities offers a roadmap to a fulfilling and meaningful new phase of life, characterized by exploration, growth, connection, and lasting contributions.